What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef and welcome to another video of making money. Today I am super pumped up to talk about Pi cryptocurrency with you guys / Pi network. And man, it's been a great journey and it has been a lot of ups and downs, a lot of this unfaithfulness in the way. And guess what? We're here in 2020, which has been one of the craziest years of all time, literally. With everything happening, all you need is some good news, something great to happen in our lives so we can make a sense out of this year. And man, it's been one of those tough years. So I have great news for you guys, just because I know a lot of you guys wanted to see what's going on with the hype about the Pi cryptocurrency. What is Pi cryptocurrency? And I'm gonna go into the depth of this Pi cryptocurrency / Pi network and how you can become rich with it, just like me, just like all the people who are on it, which I think right now it's estimated over 8 million people are mining Pi cryptocurrency for free on their phone. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that. It's gonna be super simple, super easy, and you don't wanna miss this, just because 10-20 years ago Bitcoin didn't exist, and all those people who mined Bitcoin had no idea that Bitcoin is gonna be so massive, so big in today's world. But I'm gonna be teaching you how you can start mining for free on your phone, and in a couple of years you're gonna come back and appreciate me, and you're gonna be like, Yousef, you changed my life and I owe you all this money, and I'm just gonna give you half of my Pi. That would be really nice. Anyway, again, let's get into it. So Pi cryptocurrency is one of those new, basically, cryptocurrencies that they're just launching. They're getting bigger and bigger every day. And you have to realize that all these Pi or all these cryptocurrencies, they don't just go public out of nowhere. There is a lot of work that needs to be done before they start doing anything. So basically, first they have to start making a platform that everybody can easily hop on and join and start mining. Back in the day with Bitcoins, you could have had your computer, you could have had different systems with the GPU cards and graphic cards and easily start mining Bitcoin. But it's not that easy anymore. But just like Pi, basically it's a cryptocurrency that it's newly being built. And the good thing about it, just hear me out for 1 second. The good thing about this is you can start mining for free on your phone, iPad, any electronic devices that you have, as long as you can download the app. And it's amazing. It's because it's free. I mean, anything free is nice to have. So, okay, I'm not gonna take more of your time. I'm just gonna tell you. So basically what you're gonna do is go ahead and go to the App Store or Google Play Store or anywhere that you can download apps on your phone, iPad, all that stuff. I have an iPhone, so in the App Store, you can start basically Googling or searching for the Pi app. And what you're gonna come up with is basically this app that I'm gonna show you right here. The icon is like a Pi, purplish, super cool looking icon. You go inside, but you have to realize that the Pi, it's not, everybody cannot join in there. You cannot just walk in, download the app and start mining. Someone has to refer you. Someone has to invite you into the platform in order for you to start mining for free, especially now that it's for free. So I'm gonna leave the link here for you guys. You guys can click on the link. It's gonna take you to a different page. You click on that page, you start downloading the app, and then you have to put my invitation code in order to start mining for free on your app. And let's pause the video, do that, and then you can come back and start watching the rest of the video so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now you have started mining on your phone. So you have downloaded the app, you put my name as Yousef Zad as your invitation code, you came into the app and start mining. So what is it all about now? So basically this app, when you walk in to the app, I'm gonna post all the screenshots right here for you guys so you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I have my phone up here, so I'm gonna go make sure I'm telling you exactly as it is. So when you go in the app, you're gonna see a few different icons on the right hand side of the page, which is gonna be the chat, then it's gonna be your security shield, then it's gonna have two little guys down there that it's gonna basically show how many people are under you, how many people you have referred to the network, and then you see that little green bolt sign, which is shows you how much of a pie you're mining, basically your rate of mining every hour. So mine is around anywhere between 16 to 18 pies per hour, but when you click on that, it brings you 4 different options. Basically on the top it says you are a pioneer, you are currently earning this amount of pie per hour, which is right now is 0.2 pie per hour. And you have to realize this number is gonna get smaller and smaller and smaller every single time that there's more and more people joining the platform. So take the time, download it now before it's too late. Then you have basically the contributors. So these are the people that you have referred to the system. So these kind of is almost like your security sheet. These are the people that you trust. These are the people that basically you have them in your ring. You need at least 5 people to make your security ring 100%. So under 5, basically each person is about 20% of your security shield, which these are the people that you trust mining. You know they're real human being and they're gonna be on the app every single day. So then it's gonna show you that. Then you have the ambassadors. You are the ambassador of the Pi network. So all the people that you refer, you're gonna get percentage out of their earning inside your app, basically. So right now it shows for me I have 532 members. 167 of those members are active currently. 365 people are inactive. So right now I'm earning 16.4, 17, whatever the amount is by the time I actually post the screenshot per hour. So these all add up together and gives you a number total all the way on the bottom of the screen, which is going to tell you how much you're earning every single hour. And then you have the node, which is all the way on the bottom, which is something you can actually download on your laptop or your computer and start mining through that. But that's a little bit more complicated. That's gonna be for another video, and it's gonna be for definitely my tech savvy viewers that they wanna get into it and they know it's literally like hacking, and like it's difficult. I'm not gonna say it's easy, it's pretty difficult because it took me a minute to get it working and I had to do a lot of research in order to actually find out how am I gonna be able to use that. So anyway, again, right now you can start mining, and you have to realize that just because they want to make sure that everybody that is on the network, they're actually real human beings, you have to go in the app every 24 hours and press that bolt sign to regenerate for the next 24 hours. So basically, just because they want to make sure that everybody is a human being, I have a hair on my face, I can't get it off, so annoying. Anyway, so just because they want to make sure that they have all humans actually operating the app, they have you go in the app and press it every single 24 hours in order to generate for the next 24 hours. But the good thing is when you go in there under the ambassador section, you have basically 2 different icons. One is says invite more, which you can invite more people, more friends to your network so you can earn more. And there's also that it says ping inactive users, which I'm gonna press it right now, and it's gonna basically, what it does is send a push notification to all your people that are under you to make sure you remind them to start paying if they forgot to pay that day specifically. So when you press on that one, it basically what it does is says mine says error. You have already pinged inactive members of your earning team recently. You must wait 14 hours before you can ping again. So basically you have to wait 16 hours in order to be able to remind your basically people again so they can start mining again. But I mean, if you're on top of it, you're gonna ping every single day. So it's not gonna matter. I don't have to remind you. I can remind you just in case you guys forget, so you don't have to worry about when to come back to the app and start mining again. So one of the questions that I wanted to leave out, basically I wanted to answer for a lot of people. If people say, okay, I have 500 pies, 10,000 pies, 400,000 pies. What am I gonna do with it? Can I transfer it? Can I sell it? No, for now, you can only mine on your app. And basically, it's just the beginning stages of this app. So you have to realize that it's not gonna go public overnight. You have to take your time. You have to be patient. All you gotta do is go to the app every 24 hours, press that bold sign, start mining for 24 hours, and kind of forget about it, because this is not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna happen within the next year or two, hopefully, what I'm thinking. But one thing that you have to realize, this platform is not even running as publicly traded cryptocurrency yet. But if you actually Google Pi Network value, you're gonna go to this website, and I'm gonna post the link for you guys here. Right now, a lot of these basically websites that are evaluating how much each Pi cryptocurrencies are worth, now it shows that the Pi Network price per Pi is 38 cents. So guys, this is insane. You're earning free Pi every hour just by going to the app and pressing that bold sign, just by expanding the network, inviting your friends and family under yourself. You have to realize this is amazing. You're earning free money. So 38 cents, and they're not even out yet. They're not even public yet. You cannot even sell it yet. You cannot even trade it yet. You cannot transfer it yet. All you can do right now is Pi and basically mine Pi on your phone for free, and 38 cents. So imagine in a year or two, you could have thousands of Pis that maybe it goes to $10, maybe it goes to $20, maybe it goes to $50 per Pi, and all the money that you can make for free on your phone, and you didn't do nothing. All you did is basically put your finger on that thing, press the mining sign, and you mine for 24 hours on your phone for free, which is kind of insane, which is kind of amazing. But you have to realize this is all for free, so don't miss the opportunity to do this. Again, I'm gonna leave the link for you guys down in this description. You click on there, and then you use my basically invitation code, which is Yousef Zad without any space or dots, so you can start mining for free on your phone. And guys, one thing that they just added to the platform is the ability to get verified. So I was very fortunate from Pi Network to be able to be one of the 100,000 people. So out of the over 8 million pioneers and the people who are mining, they verified basically 100,000 people to make sure these 100,000 people are officially humans that are basically mining the cryptocurrency. And I was glad to be one of them that I got verified through the app. Let me see if I can actually show it to you guys right here. I'm gonna go to my profile, and yes, it's gonna say I'm phone verified, and I'm also identity verification, KYC verified. So that's a check mark, and hopefully you guys gonna be verified soon. Don't worry, they just started with 100,000 people, but by the time they're gonna go public, they're gonna verify every single person. So make sure that it's you that is mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone. Again, hopefully you learned something from this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna give you guys more updates on the Pi cryptocurrency and all the hype around it, sometimes every single month or two, just to make sure you guys are on the right track. Smash the subscribe button, smash the little bell so you get notified every time I release a new video, and please leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I have a lot of other great videos about making money, how to get richer, credit cards, investment, 401k, and all the goodness that you can watch in my profile. Again, have a wonderful day. Hope to see you guys soon again. Don't forget, every Pi is about 40 cents right now, so you can make all the money if you want on your phone. You gotta be a little bit patient before you get to be a millionaire sometime too. So have a great day. See you in a few days, and ciao.